Welcome to another Cooking Made Simple recipe by me, MindBlown Chef. In today's recipe, we're making this chicken scampi. Before you say anything, isn't scampi usually made with shrimp? Answer, yes it is, but maybe you're allergic, like me. So I don't want to sacrifice never having the dish, so instead we'll use crispy chicken in place of the shrimp. First thing, boiling water, salt in the water. Always season your pasta water, adds extra flavor to your pasta. Angel hair in. I don't like breaking my pasta, so what I'm gonna do is let it heat up until I can fold it into the pan, or it's actually gonna go ahead and go on in there itself. Look at that. Now it's very important at first, always stir your pasta noodles in the water because they will stick together if you don't. Now we're gonna prep our chicken. Chicken thighs, why? Because more flavor. Standard breading procedure. We have flour, egg wash, which is 1 egg mixed with a little bit of water, and I have panko breadcrumbs. Now my panko breadcrumbs, I blend them in the blender. It makes a finer blend, making it for more crusty chicken. First, salt, pepper, chicken. Both sides. Salt, pepper, flour. Always season flour. Now, very importantly, left hand for dry, right hand for wet. Then you're not left with a breaded finger at the end. Left hand, dry. Place into the egg wash. Right hand for the egg wash. Place into the breadcrumbs. Left hand for the breadcrumbs. See? Hands are clean. With our chicken breaded, pan down, chicken in the pan, followed by a few pieces of butter. Get this golden brown and completely cooked all the way through, about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Not too high, don't want to burn our butter. Now we flip. Look at that color on there, beautiful color. Another 4 to 5 minutes on this side. I'm on a pretty low temp, just want to cook this all the way through. For the pan sauce, we have lemon. We're gonna use the zest and the juice. I have some butter, garlic, white wine, a little bit of chili flake. With our chicken fully cooked, we're just gonna sit it to the side and reserve it for later. Remove some of those bits. I'm keeping some of the oil because I do want that flavor, but I want to remove some of those bits. Now we build our pan sauce. Butter in the pan. Let the butter completely melt. We're gonna add our garlic to the pan. We want to roast this garlic. When we start to see some color on the edges, that's when we'll go ahead and we'll add our other ingredients. So we're just roasting our garlic right now. And now add a little bit of chili flake, just to bring out some spice. Lemon juice, white wine, and we're gonna reduce by half. A little pinch of salt and pepper. Once you have that nice syrupy consistency, go ahead and throw in your lemon zest. We're also gonna toss our pasta in and coat well. I'm gonna cut my heat off completely, and we're just gonna toss the pasta now. The moment you've all been waiting for, let's plate this final dish up. Chicken scampi pasta with no scampi. Sexy.